All right. Hopefully I can show you guys what I'm doing here. So see this brown streak going on here on the frame? I have a leaky gas tank. Now, it only leaks when I top off the tank. I think it's the gas tank that's actually leaky, but we're going to try changing this grommet out, which goes between that filler pipe and the actual tank. These are only about 10 bucks online, so we're going to try the $10 fix first. It's a little bit of a pain to do this. You're going to need some 10 millimeter socket, 8 millimeter socket, long, thin screwdriver like this. So the easy part is this. You've got 4 screws holding on the top part here. Those are 10 millimeter. You're going to take those out. Now, corresponding with this on the back side, so on the inner fender side here, you have 4 additional 8 millimeter screws, which are back behind this filler plate or whatever you want to call it. So there's 4 of them, and they pretty much line up with where these are. So you're going to have 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this 4th one at the top, which is facing, inside the fender, you're going to need a real long extension for that, and it's kind of hard to get to. That was kind of a pain. So the next thing you're going to want to do and have kind of a hard time with is, let's see here. I'll just point with this here. Behind this line here, you're going to have this, and this is going to be connected to this gas tank here. And there's an 8 millimeter screw right behind here. You're going to need a short ratchet, a short socket, and it's going to go right in here. And you're going to undo this piece here, which is like this collar that's retaining everything together. You have to get this off. You don't have to remove this, but you do have to get around it. Then up here, you've got a line, which I've conveniently destroyed already, and you're gonna undo that. That's your return vent, and that's where you're gonna start. So 8 millimeter here, 10 millimeter here, and then 4 8 millimeter bolts facing toward you on the exact opposite side of this area here. All right, so once you remove that, you're gonna start jiggling this around. Now, this is a part of the car that has never seen the light of day. And you'll know what I mean when you get into this, because you're going to have all kinds of dirt and debris falling on your face. So, let's see. Once you get this stuff loosened up, this filler pipe is going to start getting loose. You are going to have to give it a good shove back and forth, because it's kind of squished in there with some rubber grommets on both sides. So you're going to wiggle this around, and then you're going to turn it so you can get it out. All right. You'll have to excuse me. I'm already kind of tired out here. All right. So on the back side here, you've got 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, again, this part of your car's never seen the light of day, so you're going to have a bunch of dirt and grime falling onto your face. You're going to have to pry this off with some sort of a pry tool or a screwdriver. You're going to have this, excuse me, wear some safety glasses and don't work with your mouth open down here. Anyway, definitely have to pry this part off first before you can get this filler out. All right, you still with me? Now we've pushed in, we've pried off this, we've loosened these bolts, and now you're going to twist it basically toward you, where this return hose part, grab onto that and start twisting it toward you so you've got some room. And now it should come out completely. Just have to finagle it around. There we go. All right. That is your fuel filler pipe. And then we have this grommet down here. Oh yeah, this grommet's done, son. Look at this. it's completely done. Hopefully this fixes it. So there we go. Brand new one. Brand new one goes right in there. And maybe I'll put a little grease on that or something to help it out. But anyway, that's the tough part. So remember, you're going to need 10 millimeter, 8 millimeter. You're probably going to need some sort of a pry tool to get this apart, and just a lot of finagling and elbow grease, because everything's kind of like glued in. These parts are not really meant to come apart, so you're going to have bits like this. Anyway, there you go. When I first wanted to do this car, I thought about actually putting a filler neck either in the trunk or down in here, because I wanted to smooth this all out. I wanted to just fill that in and have no filler door. But anyway, there you have it. This is what your grommet looks like after 25 years. I guess it's kind of to be expected. So, $10 part. Just go ahead and replace it. See ya.